Here are 5 of the largest, heaviest land animals currently living on Earth, ranked roughly by average maximum body mass. The Loxodonta africana, the undisputed largest and heaviest land animal, with bulls reaching up to approximately 6 to 7 tons. 2. Asian elephant Elephas maximus, slightly smaller than its African cousin, but still massive, with large males up to approximately 4.5 to 5 tons. 3. White Rhinoceros Ceratotherium simum, one of the heaviest after elephants, with big individuals reaching approximately 2 to 3.6 tons. 4. Hippopotamus amphibius, extremely heavy up to approximately 3 to 4 tons for large males. Semi-aquatic, but fully terrestrial when needed. 5. Giraffa camelopardalis, the tallest land animal up to approximately 5.5 to 6 meters, though lighter, in mass approximately 1 to 2 tons. Still among the most massive due to its huge size.